Talk about a struggle bus today.
Oh my god, I'd guess. Jeez. Trying to add air to the tires. Couldn't find a tire gauge that would go high enough for this thing. Then the cord on the air compressor wasn't long enough. But we're good. We got it all done, and we're gonna go get some flooring.
Let's go on a road trip.
Road trip.
Changing your mind?
Well, I'm trying to decide if my pocketbook is gonna win over what I actually want. So we're looking at MDO right now, and my first option was marine grade plywood, but I was recommended MDO because we're gonna paint it anyway. So we'll see.
Does anybody else's husband just like take off in hardware stores? Because mine does. So I'm going to see if I can help him. This is awkward. What is this stuff?
Polyiso. And technically you're supposed to just drive your car back here to pick this stuff up, but since we only had 4 sheets, it seemed like kind of a waste. So we're just gonna pull it, walk it inside. Plus we can get some sun while we're out here.
And a little workout. It's kind of nice. Good job. Oh, I almost biffed it. That's not gonna be the last time that happens. Whew! We got floor.
We got floor.
Subfloor, right?
Yeah, some of it. Some of it.
Hopefully we got the right thing.
I'm sure we did. It'll work.
Yeah.
Good part about doing a van is you just do it your way.
Exactly.
I guess.
Woo.
Okay, so your goal is just to help guide it. It's got to stick next to this, otherwise the cut's going to be all fucked up. But we have to keep it straight, because if we start doing this, that's no good, no bueno. You ready?
Does she fit, Captain?
She fits.
First sleep out. Gonna need a couple. This way. Which way does that go? This way? Well, I hope it's good.
Me too. See where they are?
Yeah.
Yep.
What are those things that we got? What are those things called?
Bolts?
Bolt. Oh.
I took bolts, ground the heads off, and then I ground them to a point. So we just use them as a marker. Oh, I'm getting too old for this.
Are you less hangry?
Yes.
Can you work now?
I feel good.
Okay.
I feel good.
Okay.
Thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. If you think you might be feeling depressed, anxious, stressed, or overwhelmed, BetterHelp is here to help. BetterHelp offers licensed therapists who are trained to listen and help you. As some of you may know, we've had a lot going on for us this year. Brian and I both had surgery, we sold our house and moved. We're both working full-time, trying to create content for you guys on YouTube. Plus we're building this beautiful Promaster van. So we've got a lot of life stressors, which gives an already anxious girl just a little bit more anxiety. Talk to your therapist in a private online environment at your convenience. There's a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapist network that gives you access to help that may not be available in your area. You just fill out a questionnaire to help assess your specific needs, then you get matched with a therapist in under 48 hours. You then schedule secure video and phone sessions. Plus, you can exchange unlimited messages and everything you share is completely confidential. You can request a new therapist at no additional charge anytime. My therapist Tracy has been absolutely wonderful, and we are working together on some better ways to cope with life stressors and anxiety. Join the 2 million plus people who have taken charge of their mental health with an experienced BetterHelp therapist. Click the link in the description below to get 10% off of your first month at betterhelp.com/lifeontheblacktop. That's betterhelp.com/lifeontheblacktop.
Took the time to make these nice little corners to fill out in front of my wheel wells really well, but it's just gonna make it hard. We're gonna biscuit everything together so the floor is sturdy, solid, won't slide. So we've made the executive decision to just lop them off. Thank you, miss. Oh, wow.
It doesn't fit, huh?
It doesn't fit at all.
Do you need those to fit?
No,
Oh.
I'm just trying stuff. Oh, wow. I don't know what I'm doing. How many times have you put a floor in a van? Because this is my first time.
You're doing good. I mean,
So far, so good.
so what now?
Well, now we're going to have to clean all this up. We're going to have to pull it all back out.
Again?
Yeah.
We've done it 5 times already.
All got to come out. Well, before we take it out, I've got it all bolted down where I'm going to bolt it to. So I'm going to mark where I want my biscuits, and then it's all got to come back out. I'll probably mark it 1, 1, 2, 2. Then it's all got to come out. I got to cut biscuit holes in it, glue biscuits in, and then we can paint it. And then we got to put it back in. We're going to paint both sides so it doesn't get all moldy, and or mold-proof primer or whatever. And then we'll probably just cover it with cardboard so we can walk on it and we're not messing up our paint. Sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
High five.
This is stupid.
Yeah, all work is stupid.
What'd you just say?
How proud of me are we that I have motivation to work today?
I'm very proud of you. Good job. But I'm starting to fade, so can we hurry this up?
Yeah, one more piece.
Okay.
One more piece, and we'll cut it down for the day.
We be done for the day?
We're done. I'm tired. It's been a long one.
Looks good though.
Yeah.
Good job.
Turned out real nice.
Yeah. Doesn't look very big.
Well, it's not a bus. Our goal here is to paint the bottom. We wanted to get the biscuits in, make sure everything was going to fit together smoothly. And now we're going to flip everything over. We'll paint it, throw it in the van, glue the biscuits in, and then we'll paint the top. It's very windy today, and this is way harder than it looks. Damn near perfect. Almost. Finally, after about a month of messing around with it, I got the van floor done. And I say done, it's not quite done, but it's in place and ready to be built on. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how it turned out. Like everything I do, I overbuilt it a little bit. It's 1 inch of polyiso insulation with a 1/2 inch of MDO signboard on top of it. And the reason I use signboard is because it's made for exterior use. That way I don't have to worry about any weird warping or anything like that. I sanitized the whole floor before I put it all in, so hopefully there won't be any mold spores. Fingers crossed it turns out. But I went ahead and primed it and painted it so there wouldn't be any mold food. And that's how it turned out. It turned out really good. I glued everything together with biscuits, and I also screwed it down in the factory floor mounts so it wouldn't shift around. The only thing I have left to do is right here on the edges, I left a gap so it wouldn't squeak. But what I'm gonna do along the edge is I'm going to put like a spray foam or like some backer board rod, that foam backing board around the edge. That way it'll protect it from moisture, spills, things like that, and also hopefully keep the squeaking down. Overall, it turned out really good considering there were some dents on the van floor. There's not much flex at all, so That part is done, thank God. It's been such a long process to trace everything out and do everything by myself while Heather is laid up on the couch. Next up is the solar. Once I get that done, I can start building out the inside of this thing and making it home. We're gonna remeasure, make sure she's good, and then we'll get cutting a little bit.
Wow. Why are you so cranky? Don't scratch my car.